Alright, so let's do the temperature review now. So when doing temperature, remember that knowing your formulas is super important. So you need to remember that when going from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you need to remember that you're going to do your degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. So let's do an example. So here we have 98.7 degrees. So you can write your formula if that helps you. Degree Fahrenheit minus 32 degrees divided by 1.8. And then you just plug and chug essentially. So Celsius equals 98.7 minus 32 divided by 1.8. So then you're just going to do your parentheses first, whatever's in your parentheses first. So 98.7 minus 32 gives you 66.7 divided by 1.8. So when you divide that by 1.8, you get Celsius, which is 37.1. So another example is Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. So we have 101.7 minus 32 divided by 1.8. Which gives us 69.7 divided by 1.8, which is going to give us 38.7 degrees Celsius. And then when going the other way from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you need to remember that it is 1.8 times your degrees Celsius plus 32. So for example, 1.8 times 59.8 plus 32. So do what's in your parentheses first. 1.8 times 59.8 plus 32, and you get 139.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So again, Fahrenheit is 1.8 times your degrees Celsius, so 33.5 in this case, plus 32. So do what's in your parentheses first. 1.8 times 33.5 is going to give you 60.3 plus 32, which is going to give you 92.3 degrees Fahrenheit. So everyone seemed to have this down pretty well in class, so we're just going to work a few examples here. So remember, when going from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you're going to want to put your degrees Fahrenheit minus 32, then divide it by 1.8. So in this case, it would be 16 minus 32 divided by 1.8. Which would give us negative 8.9 degrees Celsius is our answer. Now, working the next one, you need to remember that it's 1.8 times your degrees Celsius, and then you're going to want to add 32. So do what's in your parentheses first. So 1.8 times 24, which gives you 43.2 plus 32 is going to equal 75.2 degrees Fahrenheit.